This year's Kafka 4 release was huge. Whether you're managing enterprise infrastructure or building next-gen streaming apps, Kafka 4 comes with a monster list of updated features and capabilities. Today, I want to focus on improvements around three core pillars: performance, observability, and compatibility. From an enhanced performance perspective, Kafka 4 delivers up to 40% better throughput and reduced latency. This means faster data streams and more accurate real-time insights for your systems. One of the biggest performance boosts we've seen in Kafka is the shift from Zookeeper to KRaft with KIP 500, which reduces complexity and overhead as well. The idea's been around for 5 years, with KRaft GA for the last 3, but changing your quorum controller is no easy task. The community's had time to work through hiccups with the transition, and it's time to give Zookeeper the boot. As of Kafka 4, KRaft is the only way forward. Another great enhancement is KIP 1106, which allows consumers to reset offsets based on a fixed duration. This prevents consumers from reprocessing large amounts of data from earlier offset. This feature makes data consumption much more efficient, especially for those of you keeping data for a really long time. Last but certainly not least, we have KIP 848, which brings fundamentally new consumer rebalance protocol. Gone are the days of stop the world rebalances like we saw with eager and cooperative strategies. The new consumer protocol is incremental and asynchronous, allowing for easier management, improved stability and scalability, faster rebalances, and significantly reduced consumer downtime. From an observability standpoint, KIP 714 has now been extended with KIP 1076, simplifying the health monitoring process and providing increased visibility. With the new extension, cluster operators can register additional metrics directly from the brokers with the help of a plugin. Kafka Streams also benefits from improved observability with KIP 1091, which introduces detailed metrics for each stream thread and the client itself. These metrics offer granular visibility into the state of Kafka Streams applications, making it easier to debug issues and optimize performance. This level of detail is invaluable for developers working on complex streaming applications, as it provides actionable insights into application behavior. When it comes to compatibility, which is always a question with a major version bump, one of the biggest changes I think will impact folks the most is KIP 896, which removes support for versions of the Kafka API below 2.1. Kafka 2.1's been around since 2018, and it might surprise many of you to hear that companies run versions of Kafka that old. Trust me, plenty are. And it's time to start planning for updates to those client libraries. It'll make the inevitable Kafka upgrade much easier in the future. There were plenty of other tweaks too, like using a new log4j, Java version bumps, and changes to the Streams API. Check out this write-up for more details. These updates are designed with productivity in mind, empowering teams to focus less on troubleshooting and more on performance. Kafka continues to be a core component in the data ecosystem in many organizations. With these changes, it will continue to be the go-to option for reliably ingesting and distributing massive amounts of data.